It is not possible. There are three truths that you cannot change in any way. You cannot change in any way. Hey dear unique, dear friend, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. There are three truths you cannot change in any way and have no choice to accept. You cannot bring someone back from death. You can't make someone fall in love with you. You can't change the past. You cannot change the past you had because, those moments, those days you lived through, you cannot change them because you can't take those moments back from life. They were given to you by life and you use them up. You use them up, all those days, moments. You finished them. Sorry, but that's true. And those episodes of your life series are over now. Second, you can't force someone to fall in love with you. You cannot do that. So many people say, I forced her or him through magic or something or so, and so cast a spell on that person. What's wrong with you? It's nonsense, Have you become a fool? No one can force someone to fall in love with them. That's true. Sorry, but that's true. Third, I'm sorry, but unfortunately, you have to accept that someone whose life's journey is over, has passed, gone, dead, will never return. You cannot bring back a dead person to life in any way. You cannot. No one can. When you say about miracles and such, stop superstitions. Superstitions. Look, dear unique, be realistic. Look at it with a scientific perspective, exploration, questioning. It is never possible. It's not possible. I'm sorry. You have to accept that as soon as possible. That's true. Dear unique, Thank you for being here and supporting me by listening and watching my videos. If you like my video, write a comment for me. Wish me luck. And thank you. Like, share, subscribe to my channel. And always remember there is only one you. And no one can take your place. Also, you cannot take someone else's place too. Okay? Love you. Ashe. Amira Rani. Bye.